looks like Village Vanguard. This is the store to go. You head inside? It could be so worse. Oh, huh? Interesting. What is it? Oh, what's that? Oh, stuff, huh? So far, funny, interesting present. I think it's a Fukubukuro. Welcome to Melessenz. This is my second part of my Fukubukuro unpacking. In my first video, I unpacked two Kaldi Fukubukuro and tell about what's exactly Fukubukuro. So today I'm gonna unpack Village Vanguard Fukubukuro. This store is a really exciting store. If you search some funny, interesting present, then this is the store to go. And they always, every year, have Fukubukuro. And the Fukubukuros are also really popular as not lucky bag, more unlucky bag, because there are weird stuff in such bags. So let's see what we get today. I'm really nervous. Will we be lucky or unlucky? Let's see. The design is really cute of this bag. This bag was 3,600 yen. This is about 36 US dollars. It's a huge bag. So, should be something inside. What do you think will be in this bag? Comment below before you know what's gonna be inside. Are you correct or not? Am I lucky or I'm not lucky? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I had a really difficult time to decide which Fukubukuro I should take. And on this Fukubukuro was written Yakiniku Teishuku. Yakiniku means grilled meat, so barbecue, and Teishuku is a meal set. So I'm wondering if there is meat or something inside. I'm really bit scared, but I was thinking it's quite funny. I'm not looking. Oh, huge! Oh, it's not meat. That's interesting. It's not meat, yeah! It's really soft. A pillow, decoration. Do they say more? Relax and have a good time. Smooth, relax. I'm wondering if is that for massage? You can relax your head, maybe? Your head inside? It doesn't say a lot about it, but I'm happy. The colors are cute. It's really soft and comfortable. Also, my cats might like it. Yeah, it's a good first one. Yeah, I'm happy. It could be so worse, but I got something good, yeah. So the next. Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that? Cover. 100% cotton. Made in India? Some sort of cover? Let's see. I think it's a throw. Just kind of a blanket, but really thin. So to cover up maybe even the table. Yeah, that's good. I always like cotton stuff. Yeah, that's comfortable, good to wash. Yeah, useful. So let's see next. Oh, the first, a little bit weird stuff, huh? Some slippers. The color goes with everything, so that's nice. Usually these slippers are really small in Japan. Let's see if they fit me. Yeah, they are a little bit small. Maybe I give them away, I will see. But they are really nice and warm, so maybe somebody would like it with a little bit smaller feet than I. So far, it's really light, so more on the cheaper side, but for winter or something useful, I have to say, not too crazy. Let's see the next. Oh, again! Oh, another pillow, that's cute with this bowl, but what is it? Is it a leaf? Also really soft like the other one, and a cute color, I have to say. Oh, that's a neck pillow, I see. Here's a little loop to put it together, let's see. Huh, interesting! A cute neck pillow. If you want to lie back like that, that's comfortable. Not bad. But I think it will move a little bit, so you have to lie back somewhere and then it's really comfortable. Yeah, useful, cute, not bad. Wow, we are just lucky, or they stepped up their game with the things they put in? I don't know. So far, no meat. Wow, great. Next. Oh, it's getting empty because so big stuff. Oh, yeah. That looks like Village Vanguard. Crazy colors. This, I guess, is a mat, a 2-set, a small one and a bigger one. The color is really out there, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it, but maybe somebody else would love it. I try to sell or donate it. So I guess now the last piece. Wow, fast. Also, a little bit crazy colors here. A little bag. Oh wow! Great! This is a little lunch bag and it keeps cold the food in summer. Wow, that's really good. Good quality. I always have the cheap one. This I will definitely use if I need to take out my food. If I go to work, maybe this year I go to work, I'm not sure because I work from home at the moment, but if I have to go out and want to bring my food, this is amazing. Or also some drinks, yeah, if I want to go out into the park. Perfect. That's good stuff. Wow. I'm surprised. I definitely have to say this year it's a lucky bag, not an unlucky bag. Just maybe this one I'm gonna donate, but the rest I really like. If I really got $36 US, I'm not sure, but yeah, pillows can be quite expensive and they are really soft. So also really enjoy this one. Yeah. This is a number pillow. They're right, it's a number pillow. Yeah, it's a cute 8. It's for forever, you know. Endless being happy. I hope you guys did enjoy it and are also happy. I'm really happy about these lucky bags. So thank you for watching. Stay calm and happy. Japanese New Year's tradition? Fukubukuro, gachapon, pachinko, secret, be lucky. Oh, what's that? Ooh, to be surprised. What? Ichigo? Oh, next. That looks like Village Vanguard. This is the store to go. You head inside? It could be so worse. Oh, huh, interesting. What is it? Oh, what's that? Oh, stuff, huh? So far, funny, interesting present. I think it's a Fukubukuro.